Imagine two identical cars, one with a clean title and the other with a salvage title. What's the price difference? The car with a clean title might cost twice as much. But here's the important part. If you know what to look for, you can get a great deal on a car with a salvage title and save thousands. First of all, what is a salvage title? When a car gets into a serious accident or is damaged in some other way, the insurance company decides whether it's worth fixing. If the repairs would cost more than the car is worth, they declare it a total loss, write it off, pay the owner, and take the title. After an accident, the insurance company often puts the car up for auction in the USA. To protect buyers from any surprises with this kind of car, its clean title is replaced with a salvage title. What are the advantages of buying cars with a salvage title? Here's a clear example. On the screen, you see two Jeep Grand Cherokees. One is a 2023 model with a salvage title for $18,000, and the other, a 2024 model with a clean title, is already $39,000. The difference is obvious, isn't it? By saving almost half the price, you get the same car but for significantly less money. Is your car really clean title? Let's look at this example. A car with a salvage title was put up for auction several times. After 6 unsuccessful attempts, it was sold for $8,000. But the story doesn't end there. The car was repainted, issued a new clean title, and put up for auction again, where it was sold for $14,000, twice the price. This process is called title washing, where a damaged car is registered in another state to hide its past and give it back a clean title. That's why it's important to always check a car's history to avoid unpleasant surprises and protect yourself from such schemes. How to buy a car with a salvage title. Step 1. Visit the Carfast Express website. Using the filters, find title type and select salvage cars. You can also use other filters to search by make, model, type of damage, seller, and other parameters. Once you've found a car you're interested in, click on the lot page. There you'll see the car's history, seller information, sales statistics, and detailed specifications. Once you've made your choice, you can request a quote for the lot by filling out a short form. A manager will contact you to help with the purchase and delivery of the car to your country. How is a salvage car delivered? After paying for the car on the day you win the auction, Carfast guarantees to pick it up within 3 days. Did you know that if the car is not picked up during this time, you'll start getting charged fines of €100 per day? We'll cover these costs if we don't make it in time. Then the car is carefully loaded into a container and shipped by sea. We deliver cars to ports in Europe, the Emirates, Nigeria, and other countries. Imagine, in just 35 days, your car could be at the port. Depending on your country, delivery takes between 35 and 50 days, and sometimes even faster. So why choose Carfast Express? We've gathered all the auctions in America in one place, offering minimal fees and maximum dealer discounts of up to 5% of the lot price. And now, for the main surprise, you can participate in auctions at all closed auctions in the USA, even those that are only accessible with a license. And here's the most interesting part. You won't need any license. As licensed brokers, we'll do everything for you. Other benefits include seller verification, automatic bid history calculation for your chosen car model, and insurance against loss and damage during logistics. Wondering how to keep your car safe during transportation? We have our own loading terminal, which guarantees secure loading of the car into the container. And another plus, we offer free storage at the US port for up to 30 days. Now you know there's no reason to be afraid of cars with a salvage title. With proper inspection and attention to detail, they can be a great opportunity to save money without sacrificing quality, and Carfast Express will help you. Thanks for watching and happy car hunting.